how to instantly reduce period pain. Every month, millions of women face the same battle, a battle against the sharp, twisting cramps that feel like they take over your body. It's the kind of pain that makes you want to curl up in bed and shut out the world. But what if relief could come faster than you think? What if, within minutes, you could ease the discomfort and reclaim your day? Today, I'm going to share how you can instantly reduce period pain. Practical, proven methods you can try right now without waiting hours for the pain to fade. Apply heat for immediate relief. When cramps hit, the first thing your body craves is comfort. It's that deep instinctive urge to hold your stomach, to curl up, to find anything that will make the twisting, aching sensation stop. In those moments, one of the fastest and most effective ways to ease the pain is through heat. Heat is not just about comfort. It's about sending a signal to your body that it's safe to relax, to release the tension that's been building in your muscles. A warm compress, a heating pad, or even a hot water bottle placed gently over your lower abdomen can work wonders. As the warmth seeps through your skin, it reaches the uterine muscles underneath, the very muscles that are contracting and causing your pain. Those contractions are a natural part of your cycle, but they can feel unbearable when prostaglandin levels are high, making the contractions more intense. The heat works like a quiet, invisible hand, massaging those muscles from within, telling them to let go. The science behind it is simple yet powerful. When heat is applied to the skin, blood vessels in that area dilate. This improves circulation, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow to your muscles. With more oxygen, your muscles can relax, inflammation can decrease, and the pain signals to your brain can start to quiet down. This is why you may feel a slow wave of relief spreading from the point where the heat is applied, a gentle, melting sensation that replaces the sharpness of the cramps. The best part? You don't need special equipment to get started. If you have a heating pad, plug it in and place it directly over your lower belly or even your lower back, depending on where the pain is strongest. Keep it at a comfortable, safe temperature, warm enough to feel soothing, but never so hot that it burns your skin. If you prefer something more traditional, a hot water bottle wrapped in a soft towel can be just as effective. The weight of it adds an extra layer of comfort, almost like a reassuring hand resting where it hurts the most. But what if you don't have a heating pad or a hot water bottle on hand? This is where a little creativity can make all the difference. You can use a warm towel, just soak it in hot water, wring it out carefully and fold it over your abdomen. Or you can make your own DIY heat pack by filling a clean sock with uncooked rice, tying it securely, and microwaving it for 1 to 2 minutes. The rice retains heat beautifully and the sock is soft enough to mold to your body. Plus, the slight weight of it can provide a comforting, grounding sensation while you rest. As you settle in with the heat source in place, take a moment to focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly, letting the warmth sink deeper into your muscles. Exhale gently, imagining the pain loosening its grip. You might notice that within just a few minutes, the intensity of your cramps begins to fade. It's not magic. It's your body responding to a simple, time-tested method that works with your natural processes. Some people find that combining heat therapy with rest makes the relief even more noticeable. Lie down in a comfortable position, maybe on your back with your knees slightly bent, or curled on your side with a pillow between your legs. Let your muscles fully relax as the heat does its work. This is your time to pause, to give yourself permission to slow down and to focus entirely on helping your body through this moment. Heat therapy is more than just a way to dull pain. It's a form of self-care, a small but powerful act of kindness you can give yourself every month. It tells your body, I hear you, I'm here for you, and I'm going to help you get through this. By simply applying warmth to the source of your discomfort, you create an environment where healing and relief can happen naturally. So the next time cramps strike, don't underestimate the power of heat. Whether it's a modern electric heating pad, a classic hot water bottle, a warm towel, or a homemade rice pack, the effect is the same. Gentle, steady, and soothing. Within minutes, you'll feel your muscles begin to unclench, the tightness easing, and your body shifting from tension to comfort. And in that moment, you'll know that you've taken control. even in the middle of something that once felt completely out of your hands. Gentle movement and stretching. When the pain of menstrual cramps sets in, the natural instinct is to stay completely still, to curl up in bed, avoid moving, and hope the pain will pass. While rest can be important, there's another approach that can sometimes bring faster, longer-lasting relief: gentle movement and stretching. It may sound counterintuitive to move when you're in pain, but light activity can help release the tension in your muscles, improve circulation, and trigger the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. The goal here isn't to work up a sweat or push your limits. It's to coax your body into a state of greater ease, to give your muscles a reason to stop clenching so tightly. Slow, intentional movement helps increase blood flow to your pelvic region, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the uterine muscles that are working overtime. More oxygen means less cramping, less stiffness, and less of that heavy, achy feeling that can take over your lower body. One of the simplest forms of gentle movement is walking, even if it's just around your room or down the hallway. Walking encourages circulation and helps your muscles release some of the built-up tension. If walking feels too intense, you can start with small stretches while lying down or sitting. These stretches don't need to be complicated or lengthy. The key is to move slowly and mindfully, paying attention to how your body responds. Yoga, in particular, can be incredibly soothing during this time. Certain poses are known for their ability to relax the lower back, abdomen, and hips, the areas most affected by menstrual cramps. The child's pose allows you to gently stretch your lower back while resting your head and arms, giving your body a sense of calm. The cat-cow stretch helps loosen up your spine and improves blood flow to your pelvic area. Reclined bound angle pose opens the hips and eases pelvic tension, while also encouraging deep, steady breathing. Breathing is an important part of this process. As you move into a stretch, inhale deeply through your nose, letting your abdomen rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your body to soften into the position. This combination of movement and breath tells your nervous system to shift into a more relaxed state, which can help reduce the perception of pain. If traditional stretching feels like too much, you can try small pelvic tilts while lying on your back. Bend your knees, place your feet flat on the floor, and gently rock your hips forward and backward. This subtle movement can help ease lower back tension and encourage circulation in the pelvic region. You might be surprised at how such a small action can bring a noticeable sense of relief. Some people also find that stretching with the support of props like pillows or yoga bolsters makes the experience more comfortable. These supports allow you to maintain a gentle position without straining your muscles, so you can stay in a stretch for longer and let the relief build gradually. It's important to listen to your body throughout this process. If a movement causes sharp pain or makes your cramps worse, ease out of it immediately. The goal is to reduce discomfort, not push through it. Every person's body is different, and what feels good for one person may not be right for another. Gentle movement and stretching aren't just about physical relief. They can also help shift your mental focus. When you're in pain, it's easy to become fixated on the discomfort. Moving your body, even in small ways, draws your attention to your breath, your posture, and the feeling of release in your muscles. This shift can make the pain feel more manageable and less overwhelming. The beauty of this method is that you can adapt it to your own comfort level. Whether you choose a few minutes of walking, a series of gentle yoga poses, or simple stretches on your bed, you're giving your body a chance to relax and recover. With each movement, you're encouraging your muscles to let go of tension, improving your circulation, and helping your body work with you instead of against you. So, when cramps start to weigh you down, remember, you don't always have to stay still. Sometimes, the relief you need comes from motion. Slow, steady, and compassionate movement that tells your body it's safe to ease the pain away. Massage with essential oils. When menstrual cramps feel relentless, sometimes your body needs a more direct, hands-on approach to help it unwind. That's where gentle abdominal massage comes in, especially when combined with the soothing power of essential oils. This method works on two levels: the physical touch that helps release tension in the muscles, and the aromatic compounds and essential oils that promote relaxation and comfort. The massage itself is simple but effective. By using slow circular motions over your lower abdomen, you can encourage better blood flow, ease muscle contractions, and send signals to your body to soften the grip of the pain. This isn't about deep pressure or aggressive kneading. It's about gentle, consistent movement that reassures your muscles they don't have to hold on so tightly. Essential oils can enhance this process. Oils like lavender, clary sage, and peppermint are known for their muscle-relaxing and anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender has a calming scent that can help lower stress levels, which in turn may make cramps feel less intense. Clary sage is often used specifically for menstrual discomfort, as it's believed to support hormone balance and soothe uterine spasms. Peppermint oil, with its cooling sensation, can help distract from pain signals and create a refreshing, uplifting feeling. To use essential oils safely, always dilute them with a carrier oil before applying them to your skin. Carrier oils like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil provide a smooth base for massage and ensure that the essential oils don't cause irritation. A good ratio is a few drops of essential oil mixed into a tablespoon of carrier oil. Once you've prepared the blend, warm a small amount in your hands and place them gently on your lower abdomen. Begin with light pressure, moving your fingertips in small circles, gradually working your way around the entire lower belly. Keep your movements slow and intentional, letting the warmth of your hands and the gentle scent of the oils work together. You might notice that as your skin absorbs the oil, the aroma rises softly, creating a calming atmosphere around you. Some people find that massaging in a clockwise direction, following the natural flow of the digestive tract, feels more comfortable and promotes a sense of harmony in the body. You can also place one hand on your lower back while the other massages your abdomen to help ease tension in both areas at once. The benefits of this practice aren't limited to physical relief. The act of massaging your own abdomen can be a way of tuning into your body, acknowledging the discomfort, and responding with care. It transforms the moment from one of helplessness into one of active self-support. The scents from the oils add another layer of comfort, engaging your senses and giving your mind something to focus on besides the pain. If you have the time, you can extend the massage for several minutes, pausing occasionally to rest your hands and simply breathe. Inhale deeply, taking in the aroma of the oils, and exhale slowly, imagining the tension leaving your body with each breath. This combination of touch, scent, and mindful breathing can create a powerful sense of relief and relaxation. For those who prefer a little extra warmth, you can place a warm compress or heating pad over your abdomen after massaging. The heat helps the oils absorb more deeply into the skin and enhances the muscle-relaxing effect, creating a multi-layered approach to pain relief. While massage with essential oils can be done on your own, some people find it even more effective when someone else performs it for them, allowing them to fully relax without focusing on the movement itself. Whether you do it yourself or receive the massage from someone you trust, the result is often the same. Muscles that feel looser, a mind that feels calmer, and a body that feels more at ease. This technique is not just about easing pain in the moment. It's also about building a small ritual of self-care you can return to each month. Over time, your body may even begin to associate the scent of certain oils with comfort and relief, making the effect feel faster and more powerful. So the next time cramps take hold, remember that relief may be in your own hands. Literally. With gentle massage, the right essential oils, and a few quiet minutes to yourself, you can help your body let go of the pain and step into a softer, more comfortable state. Hydration and warm drinks. When you're dealing with period pain, it's easy to overlook something as simple as hydration, but the amount and type of fluids you consume can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels. Your muscles, including your uterus, need enough water to function properly. When you're dehydrated, they can cramp more intensely, making menstrual pain sharper and harder to ignore. The first step is to make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Even mild dehydration can cause your muscles to become more sensitive and prone to contractions. Sipping water consistently, rather than chugging large amounts all at once, helps your body absorb and use it more effectively. Keeping a bottle of water nearby and taking small sips can be an easy habit to maintain, especially on days when cramps are at their worst. But hydration doesn't have to mean plain water. Warm drinks, in particular, can provide an extra layer of comfort when you're experiencing menstrual pain. The warmth helps relax the muscles of your abdomen and pelvis from the inside out, much like a heating pad works on the outside. It also promotes better blood flow, which can reduce the intensity of cramping. Herbal teas are especially helpful during this time. Chamomile tea is known for its calming properties and can help ease tension throughout the body, including the uterine muscles. Ginger tea has natural anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce both pain and nausea, a common symptom during menstruation. Cinnamon tea is another warming option that not only improves circulation, but also has compounds that may help regulate muscle contractions. If you prefer something richer, a cup of warm milk, dairy or plant-based, can also be soothing. You can enhance it with a pinch of turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits, or a bit of honey for a touch of natural sweetness. The act of slowly sipping a warm drink can create a moment of mindfulness, giving you a break from focusing on the discomfort. For an even more targeted approach, you can combine hydration with herbs that are traditionally used for menstrual support. Raspberry leaf tea, for example, is often used to tone and relax the uterine muscles. Peppermint tea can help ease bloating and digestive discomfort, which often go hand in hand with period pain. It's also worth noting that while caffeine might seem like a tempting pick-me-up, it can sometimes make cramps worse by constricting blood vessels. If you're sensitive to caffeine, consider switching to herbal or caffeine-free options during your period. Your body may respond with less tension and greater ease. Temperature plays an important role here too. Cold drinks can sometimes cause your muscles to tighten, which may increase discomfort. Sticking to warm or room temperature beverages helps maintain a relaxed state in your muscles. Hydration and warm drinks aren't just about easing physical pain, they can also help soothe your mind. The simple act of holding a warm cup in your hands, inhaling the gentle aroma of herbs or spices, and taking slow sips can be deeply calming. It creates a small ritual of care that tells your body you're paying attention to its needs. Pairing warm drinks with other comfort measures can make the relief even more noticeable. Imagine sitting with a cup of ginger tea while a heating pad rests on your abdomen, or stretching gently after finishing a soothing mug of chamomile. These combinations work together to relax your muscles from the inside and the outside, giving you a double layer of relief. Staying well hydrated also supports your overall well-being during your cycle. It helps your body flush out excess sodium, which can reduce bloating, and supports digestion, which can be disrupted by hormonal changes. Over time, maintaining good hydration habits can help your body handle each cycle more smoothly. So, while it might seem like a small thing, drinking enough fluids, especially warm, soothing ones, can make a big difference when you're trying to reduce period pain. Every sip is another step toward helping your body relax, restore balance, and find comfort, even on the most uncomfortable days. Over-the-counter pain relief. Sometimes, despite our best efforts with natural methods like heat, stretching, massage, and hydration, menstrual pain can still be overwhelming. In those moments, over-the-counter pain relief can be a safe and effective option to help you regain control of your day. These medicines work by targeting the root cause of cramping, the chemicals in your body that trigger the uterus to contract more intensely than usual. One of the most commonly recommended options is ibuprofen, found in brands like Advil and Nurofen. Ibuprofen belongs to a group of medications called non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs. These drugs work by reducing the production of prostaglandins, hormone-like substances that cause the uterine muscles to tighten and shed the uterine lining. High prostaglandin levels are linked to stronger, more painful cramps. By lowering these levels, NSAIDs help ease the intensity of the contractions and, as a result, reduce pain. Naproxen, another NSAID sold under brand names like Aleve, works in a similar way and can be an alternative for those who prefer a longer-lasting option. Some people find that naproxen's effects last a little longer than ibuprofen, meaning fewer doses throughout the day. For best results, timing matters. If you know your period pain tends to be strong, taking an NSAID at the first sign of cramping, or even just before your period starts, can help prevent the pain from reaching its peak. Once prostaglandin levels have already spiked, it can take longer to bring them down, so early action can make a noticeable difference. It's important to follow the recommended dosage on the packaging or as advised by a healthcare professional. Taking more than directed won't bring faster relief and can increase the risk of side effects, such as stomach irritation. That's why it's generally a good idea to take NSAIDs with food or a small snack, which can help protect your stomach lining. For those who can't take NSAIDs due to allergies, sensitivities, or certain medical conditions, acetaminophen, also called paracetamol and sold under the brand name Tylenol, can be another option. While acetaminophen doesn't directly lower prostaglandin levels like NSAIDs do, it works by reducing the perception of pain in the brain, making cramps feel less intense. It may be a gentler choice for people who can't tolerate NSAIDs, though it may be slightly less effective for severe cramps. If over-the-counter pain relief becomes something you rely on every cycle, it's a good idea to check in with a healthcare provider. They can help ensure you're using the medication safely, suggest the most effective dosing schedule for your needs, and explore whether an underlying condition might be contributing to your pain. Over-the-counter medication is not a sign of weakness or giving in to the pain. It's simply one of the tools available to you. When used responsibly, these medicines can give you the freedom to go about your day, meet your responsibilities, and still have the energy for the things you enjoy. Pairing medication with other comfort measures can make the relief more effective. For example, taking ibuprofen alongside applying a heating pad and drinking a warm herbal tea can create a layered approach to pain management, tackling discomfort from multiple angles at once. For many people, this combination of strategies can turn a day that would have been dominated by pain into one where they can function and even feel good. The goal isn't just to mask the pain. It's to actively reduce the processes in your body that are causing it, giving you a break from the cycle of tension and discomfort. So, when natural remedies aren't enough, know that you have the option to reach for over-the-counter pain relief. Used correctly, it can be a powerful ally in your toolkit for managing menstrual cramps, helping you move through your day with greater ease and comfort. Deep breathing and relaxation techniques. When period pain strikes, the focus often goes straight to the physical discomfort, the cramping, the aching, the heaviness. But what's happening in your mind and nervous system can also play a big role in how intense that pain feels. Stress, anxiety, and muscle tension can actually amplify discomfort, creating a cycle where the more you hurt, the more your body tenses up, and the more your body tenses up, the more you hurt. This is where deep breathing and relaxation techniques come in, simple yet powerful tools to help calm your body from the inside out. Deep breathing works by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of your body responsible for rest and recovery. When this system is engaged, your heart rate slows, your muscles begin to relax, and your body shifts away from the fight or flight state that can make pain feel sharper. One of the simplest methods is the 4-2-6 breathing technique. Here's how it works. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, letting your belly rise as the air fills your lungs. Hold that breath gently for a count of 2, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6, allowing your belly to fall and your body to release any tension. Repeating this cycle for just a few minutes can help quiet your mind and reduce the perception of pain. You can do it lying down with a heating pad, sitting comfortably in a chair, or even while soaking in a warm bath. Another option is progressive muscle relaxation, which pairs breathing with focused muscle release. Start by tensing a specific muscle group, for example, your toes, for a few seconds as you inhale. Then release that tension as you exhale, noticing the difference between tightness and relaxation. Gradually work your way up through your legs, hips, abdomen, shoulders, and face. This technique helps you identify and let go of the subtle muscle clenching that can make cramps worse. Visualization is another relaxation tool that can work beautifully alongside deep breathing. As you breathe in, imagine warmth, comfort, or healing light filling your lower abdomen. As you breathe out, picture the pain flowing out of your body, leaving space for ease and calm. These mental images can be surprisingly powerful, especially when paired with the physical effects of slow, controlled breathing. You can enhance these techniques by creating a calming environment. Dim the lights, put on soft instrumental music, or use a calming scent like lavender from an essential oil diffuser. The more relaxed your surroundings, the easier it is for your body to let go of the physical and emotional tension tied to menstrual pain. Deep breathing and relaxation don't just provide immediate relief, they can also train your body over time to respond differently to pain. The more you practice, even when you're not in discomfort, the more familiar and effective these techniques become during moments when you need them most. Some people like to combine breathing exercises with other pain relief methods for a multi-layered effect. For example, lying down with a heating pad on your abdomen while practicing 4-2-6 breathing can help soothe cramps from both a physical and mental angle. Or after a gentle stretching session, ending with a few minutes of progressive muscle relaxation can seal in the feeling of release. Perhaps the most important thing to remember about deep breathing and relaxation is that they are free, accessible anywhere, and within your control. You don't need special equipment, and you can adapt them to fit your personal comfort level. Whether you have 2 minutes or 20, even a short session can create a noticeable shift in how your body feels and how your mind perceives the pain. So, the next time period cramps begin to take over, try pausing for a moment. Place your hands on your abdomen, close your eyes, and focus on slow, steady breaths. Feel the tension begin to melt away with each exhale. These quiet moments of intentional relaxation are not just about getting through the pain. They're about reclaiming a sense of calm and control in the middle of it. Menstrual pain may be a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. With the right tools, a little care, and the willingness to listen to your body, you can find relief, reclaim your comfort, and move through each cycle with strength and ease.